What are you looking at here? Looks kind of weird. Kind of looks like it's wood. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's a cardboard case. That's right. A cardboard case. A case made out of cardboard. Let's jump into this right now. But before I do, you can help me out by doing what's up here. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, comment down below, and watch the video right to the end. The construction process requires professional help from the cardboard wizard. I don't know who that is, but they're a cardboard wizard anyway. They utilize some kind of $300,000 Kongsberg C64 industrial CNC machine to cut the precision parts. Mounting the hardware involved custom drilling and specialized screws to ensure that the components remain secure. What? No removable motherboard tray? Now, as always, I will link you to the sources, this article, and the YouTube video in the YouTube description down below. Make sure you go over there and check it out. It's quite interesting. Now, while this is pretty spectacular overall, would you want a custom cardboard case? I would imagine the answer to that question is no. But you know what? It's innovative at least. Your comments down below.